Everybody, Mike Conville here with Laser Restorations, and today we're going to be testing out our 1000-watt laser cleaning system against this rusted shovel. Stick around to see how it turns out. So first things first, let's talk safety. I've set up protective screens around my area. I set up signs at each entry point about laser use. I have set up a fume extractor to collect any of the nasty fumes that may be produced. And finally, and most important, I will be donning my laser protective lenses. So the laser that we're using today is a 1080 nanometer laser. So these glasses are specifically designed for that wavelength. In a future video, I'll be talking more about these glasses and their ratings, as well as pros and cons for different types of lasers and colors. But for now, let's move on to cleaning. So I'm going to start off slow at about 50% power and a full scan width, which is about 80 millimeters for this laser, a little bit over 3 inches. Let's take a couple of passes on the shovel and see how it does. Turn up the power a little bit, go to about 75%, and see if we can get a little bit deeper. So as you can see here, every bit of that oxidation has been taken off of this shovel. Now you can see those white spots, unfortunately those are dried on concrete. So lasers have a pretty tough time with natural stone, at least breaking them down. But you can see here that this shovel was cleaned up pretty good. Now if I kept going, I could etch deeper in. I can probably get rid of a lot of those pitting spots, but it would take a lot more time. But overall, I think this shovel's in pretty good shape for how old it is, and we'll get some more years of life out of it. So yeah, I'd say that came out pretty good. So overall, I'm fairly impressed with how that mini 1000-watt unit performed. Now, it's not going to clean as fast as your industrial 2000 or 3000 watt machines that run on 3-phase power, but for small projects like this, it works just fine. That shovel, with just a quick blast of compressed air to get that oxide dust off, is ready for paint, galvanizing, or anything else you might want to use in your restoration project. All of that done in just a few minutes. So really, that's the power of using lasers for this type of work.